Every AI tool you've heard of, ChatGPT, Gemini, Midjourney, Python is running under the hood. And the good news? The basics take about 5 minutes. Let's go. Python stores information in variables. No need to declare types, no semicolons, no drama. You just write the name, an equal sign, and the value. Python figures out the rest automatically. That's called dynamic typing, and it's one of the reasons Python is so beginner friendly. There are two types of numbers you'll use constantly: integers, which are whole numbers, and floats, which are decimals. Math works exactly how you'd expect. No surprises. Python is readable by design. Strings are just text wrapped in quotes. But don't let the simplicity fool you. Strings in Python are powerful. You can slice them, search inside them, reverse them, count characters. A lot of real-world Python code is just manipulating text. Need to store multiple things? That's a list. Lists are ordered, changeable, and one of the most used structures in all of Python. Almost every AI project you'll ever build will have a list somewhere inside it. Dictionaries store data as key value pairs. Think of it like a labeled filing cabinet. You ask for a key, you get the value back. This matters more than it sounds, because when you call an API, the data that comes back is almost always in the exact same format. Booleans are just true or false, but combine them with conditions and your code starts making decisions. Python's condition syntax reads almost like plain English, and that's completely intentional. So here's everything you just learned. Strings for text, integers and float for numbers, booleans for true or false logic, lists for ordered collection, and dictionaries for key value data. 5 types, 5 minutes. That is the foundation every single Python project is built on. Next video, we're using all of this to build something real. No more theory. If you're new here, subscribe. It gets a lot more interesting from here.